So it's the cold light of day to see how the paint sits. That was the last bit I did. A lot of this is sort of wet on wet, bleeding into the surrounding colour. So that's the mid-ground done, background done. It's just onto this, and most of the work's going to go, really, I guess, into the boats, but hopefully that'll be finished today. Hopefully. That'll be painting number 1 done in this triptych, and it'll be the main painting, the central one. I just wanted to say as well, this rock, Chapel Rock, is 2/3 gone. That's what it looked like about 1900.